I'll show you how to send USDT from OKX Web3 wallet to Binance. So first of all, now go to the Binance. After you come to Binance, go to assets. After you come to assets, tap on deposits. After you come to the deposit, go and search for USDT, or you can be able to see the USDT in the list. After you find the USDT, now go and select the USDT. Go and select the network. So for this one, I would go with this BIP20 because it's more cheaper. So now tap on this BIP20 and copy the address. So after you copy the address by tapping on this button, now close the Binance and go back to OKX. After you open the OKX Web3 wallet, now tap on this send button, or you can just choose this one, USDT. Here is it now. So after you select this USDT, tap on this send button. Before you tap on the send button, tap on this back arrow to select the network. So as you can see now, for now the network is set to Tron network. So now swipe to right and go ahead and choose this BSC network, this one. After you choose the network from the above, so now tap on this send again, and now tap on this paste button. So now tap on this confirm. So now specify the amount you want to send. So let's say I want to send 200 USDT. After you type in the amount, just tap on this confirm button. From there, the USDT will be sent into your Binance account. And that's it, guys.